Priya from Ludhiana. I'm here at Dr. Pankaj Talwar's course 2, batch 136. Now we'll examine the post-wash sample by Microfluidics, which has been incubated at 37 degrees for 30 minutes. First of all, we'll take 0.4 ml of sample in the syringe from outlet port. We'll fix the syringe tightly and slowly inject the 0.4 sample from aspirate and put 1 drop of the sample over the glass slide. And keep a cover slip over the sample.
You have to just aspirate the drop, make it smaller. Put a cover slip and we just put the cover slip over here. And again, the concept is that in case it is more.
Yes, so wow. Just at one go.
So basically, it is your show. Did I contribute to it?
Yes. The last practice.
No. Teaching is simple, but you see what is more blessed. It's not the cow, it's the calf which suckles. In case calf won't suckle, what will cow do? Cow will carry the milk but the calf has to suckle. So you have, see, I hope things are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
How lovely. You want to use the old sample or you remember it? We wash it, remember? In your mind?
Yes, sir.
How different it is.
Very clean, very without any RBC. Motility is without agglutination. Motility is simply.
So, should we go Facebook Live?
Yes.
Who will go Facebook Live? Who's the volunteer? We'll go Facebook Live for 2 things.
Right now?
Right now.
Right now, sir.
For?
अच्छा, but 2 लोग जाएंगे